How to see your subscribers on YouTube. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to know who subscribed to your YouTube channel and see your list of subscribers? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open YouTube on your device. You will land on its official homepage. Tap on the U tab available at the bottom. At the very top, you will see your YouTube channel. If it's not the correct one, tap on Switch Account. A list of Google accounts and their associated YouTube channels will appear. Select the correct channel from the list. Then you will be directed to homepage. Again tap on the U tab available at the bottom. Then tap on View Channel. Your YouTube channel page will open up. Over here, you will find the option to see your subscribers. Tap on it. You will now see a list of all the subscribers who have subscribed to your channel. However, please keep in mind that this list only shows users who have made their subscriptions public. Subscribers who have made their subscriptions private won't appear in this list. By default, the subscribers list is sorted by latest. This means the most recent public subscriber will appear at the top. You can also sort the list by the subscriber count of your subscribers. To do that, tap on latest. A sort by menu will appear. Select the subscriber count option. You will now see the list sorted by how many subscribers your public subscribers have. This means your public subscriber with the highest number of subscribers on their own channels will appear at the top. And boom! You have successfully learned how to see your subscribers on YouTube. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.